హాయ్ ఆల్ వెల్కమ్ టు స్త్రీ శక్తి స్వీడన్ విమెన్ పవర్ సుగుణం అనేది జీవితపు సౌందర్యం. ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆర్ట్ that's a mandala art, Lord Buddha painting, which is done by my friend Tanvi. Art done by Tanvi Singh Rathore and Hridayanshi. Thank you so much for this beautiful art. And this is a beautiful mandala art painting of Lord Buddha. Let's start. For this we use the acrylic colors and the brushes and a canvas board. And now let's start the painting. First, now we need to paint the canvas board with the black color. Just put the black color paint drops very randomly all over the painting board or the canvas board and just start the painting as shown here. Here we can see the beautiful painting of the black color on the canvas board. Here it's done. Here is our black color board done now. It's ready for the painting. You can use any different sizes of canvas board. And now you just draw a Lord Buddha drawing. It's a very simple drawing. Now you take the scissor and cut it the outline of this drawing and just place it on the canvas board. Here we are using this as a stencil. Here we are using this paper drawing of cut paper drawing as a stencil. Now use a pencil and draw the outline on the canvas board, on the painted canvas board. Here it is. And now take the white color acrylic paint and using a screwer just place the white dots on the main background. Like here we are using the Lord Buddha painting as the main base, like that's the main art in this mandala art. So now on the black background the white dots look so beautiful, so just choose the white color to paint over the main base of the Lord Buddha and the lotus flower and the circles over it. It's called a screwer. We are placing the dots with the help of a screwer. You can use a toothpick also. And now just take the paintbrush or any pencil. You can use even a pencil also or a sketch pen, whatever it's available, you can use that and place the dots. Now here we are using a red color dot, and now as you wish you can place the dots very easily in any pattern of your own size patterns. Based on your creativity you can do it, but still you can follow the same art here we are showing. It's a very easy simple pattern. Just using different sizes and ends of the toothpick or any pencil or any painting brush, we can use this. We can do this. It's a very simple art. The bit hard thing over here is placing and drawing the perfect shape of Lord Buddha and doing it on the canvas board. Like making the shape perfectly is the main task, but once it's done it's very easy. And here we are using the canvas board of 28 into 35 centimeter, which is a medium size, not the small one or not the big one. It's a medium sized canvas board, 28 into 35 centimeters. And now place the beautiful dots from one end of the board, not from the both the ends. Just start as one end, pick the one end of the board and do parallelly. It's done. One end of the canvas board is done. Now choose the diagonally opposite side of the paint and start of the canvas board and start painting it again. It's done. The other side of the board is also done, and now you can fill the remaining part of the board with the beautiful colors. Here now we are using the blue color. Using the blue color, we are placing the dots. Just to show you in a clear way, I am just zooming over here. Just do it properly, and it's a very simple thing and no need of tension whether the dots are in the same size or not. Just a little bit of variation doesn't show much difference, so but finally it gives a beautiful look. Don't worry, but just try it. You can definitely do it. It's a very simple dot placing art. The simple technique, just pull over the excess paint in between, that gives a different design. Using a screwer, just pull over the excess paint and we can do it. And it's done. Now just place the dots on the remaining part. Here we are using the green color again, placing the dots around it.
Hi.
Now placing the white color dots. Just you can do it as simple as it is. It's a very simple thing. Even the kids can do it easily if you give out the base to them and just ask them to place the dots. It can be done very easily, but the only thing you need is little bit of patience and time taking process. Placing the dots is a time taking process, but it's a very simple and beautiful art. You can try anyone at home in a very easy manner. Even the kids can place the dots. It's so simple and so beautiful. And finally you can hang it in your decoration shelves or anywhere. It looks so beautiful. And here we are placing the yellow color dots in a circle manner around the big dot. And final look is given by another light color. We can choose any color. Here we are choosing the pink color to give the end look or the end part of it. It's done on the two diagonally opposite sides. We are using the pink color. And it's done. This is our final look of mandala art, which looks so beautiful. And this is a final look. Please do try. Definitely you will get it, and anyone can do it. It's a very simple process. This is the final look of our art. Yeah, here we go. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And please share your thoughts. Try it by just giving a like. Click over the video. Thank you all. Please do subscribe to Stree Shakti Sweden Women Power. Sugunam anedi